The dark web is a powerful space, but it's not safe by default. It's filled with traps, scams, and malware designed to exploit anyone who lets their guard down. If you're not careful, it's easy to go from curious visitor to compromised target in a single click. Let's break down the biggest threats and how to avoid them. Malware. The dark web is a magnet for malicious code. You'll find everything from keyloggers and spyware to ransomware and rootkits, often disguised as useful tools or downloadable content. That anonymous chat app, it could be logging your keystrokes. That privacy browser, it might be reporting your IP to someone else. Click the wrong link, and you could infect your system with malware that silently records everything or locks you out entirely until you pay. Rule number 1. Never download anything unless you absolutely trust the source. And even then, isolate it in a virtual machine or sandbox environment. Better yet, use a disposable operating system like Tails when browsing untrusted sites. Seconds. Scams are everywhere on the dark web, and they're often sophisticated. Fake marketplaces, fake vendors, fake escrow services. You might find a vendor with thousands of 5-star reviews, but the entire site could be a trap. Or maybe the marketplace is real, but the escrow system is rigged. And once your crypto is sent, it's gone. No refunds, no chargebacks. Rule number 2, always assume risk. If a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Use forums to verify links and vendors. Read recent feedback, not just stars. And never trust anyone asking for payment outside the platform. Third, social engineering traps. Not all threats are technical. Some are psychological. Scammers use urgency, manipulation, or fake credibility to get what they want. They might impersonate admins, pose as whistleblowers, offer private deals in your messages. Their goal is simple: to get you to reveal something, an identity, a wallet address, a vulnerability. Rule number 3, stay anonymous, even in conversation. Don't brag, don't overshare, don't let your guard down. The minute you treat the dark web like a safe space, it stops being one. Other threats include phishing pages that mimic login portals, booby-trapped onion links that redirect you to clear web honeypots, fake versions of popular tools that look legitimate but are backdoored. To stay safe, treat every interaction with suspicion. Use hardened browsers, disable scripts by default. Keep your identity and crypto wallets completely separate. And most importantly, never rush. That's how most people get caught. The dark web rewards patience, preparation, and paranoia. Because here, a single mistake doesn't just cost you money, it can cost you your freedom.